Are you considering freelancing or looking for skilled independent contractors? You're likely familiar with Freelancer.com, a popular global marketplace that connects clients with freelancers. Whether you need help with writing, design, IT, or any other task, Freelancer.com offers a vast array of available professionals. But before jumping in, watch this review on Freelancer.com's legitimacy and helpful tips for employers and freelancers. Hi, I'm Trisha from Outsource Accelerator. We are the world's leading outsourcing marketplace and advisory. This channel is all about helping you succeed in the outsourcing industry by giving you the knowledge and tools you need. Freelancer.com, founded in 2009 by Matt Barry, is a global freelancing and crowdsourcing marketplace. It connects over 65 million employers and freelancers from 247 countries. Clients can post projects for freelancers to bid on, while freelancers can find part-time and full-time work opportunities. The platform operates worldwide with offices in multiple countries. Freelancer.com operates through a simple process. Clients post their job requirements as projects, and freelancers can submit competitive bids to secure their work. Clients review the freelancers' profiles and choose the most suitable one to award the project. Upon project completion, freelancers receive payment for their services. Freelancer.com saves independent contractors from spending money on costly advertising. Once freelancers create their profiles, they can start bidding on projects, which should showcase their skills to attract clients. The platform also holds contests mainly for design work where freelancers can display their abilities. Clients can view these works in the Freelancer Showcase and directly hire talented freelancers. On Freelancer.com, clients have several ways to hire freelancers. The most common method is by posting projects and receiving bids from freelancers, allowing them to choose the most suitable candidates. Additionally, clients can use the recruiter service provided by Freelancer.com for assistance in shortlisting potential workers. They also have the option to start contests and hire the winning entries. For smaller projects, clients can easily access the Freelancer Services section to purchase predefined services. As a global platform, Freelancer.com is not exempt from the typical criticisms faced by freelancing websites. So here are the most common complaints regarding Freelancer.com. Excessive sensitive information required. Freelancer.com's verification process requiring excessive sensitive information raises identity theft concerns among users despite the platform's claim for preventing scams. Weak security screening. Despite extensive data requirements, Freelancer.com faces criticism for allowing scams on the site, while other platforms with less intrusive info seem to provide better user protection. Scam presence. Scam profiles and jobs persist on Freelancer.com, leading to negative reviews. Typical scams include fake testimonials, stolen portfolios, malicious software, mimicked contact data, and employee-employer ghosting. The platform's spam algorithms aim to catch fraudulent users, but occasional lapses require user vigilance. High fees. Freelancer.com faces criticism for charging freelancers to bid on projects and users to report disputes. Additionally, inactive accounts incur extra fees when leaving the platform. Poor customer service. Freelancer.com is infamous for closing accounts without reason and providing unhelpful computer-generated replies to users' concerns. Is your business tired of spending too much time and money on admin tasks? Then outsourcing is for you. With outsourcing, you can save up to 70% on staff costs, access to world-class professionals, and focus on growing your business. Get 3 free codes now. Freelancing is a growing industry, and to find trustworthy work or contractors, it's essential to know the best ways to do it. So here are some helpful tips on using Freelancer.com for employers and freelancers. Clear project description. Provide a detailed and clear project description to attract the right freelancers and avoid misunderstandings. Check freelancer profiles. Review freelancers' profiles, ratings, and reviews to ensure they have the skills and experience you need. Use milestone payments. Utilize the milestone payment system to release funds in phases based on project milestones, ensuring quality work. Communicate effectively. Maintain open and regular communication with a selected freelancer to stay on track and address any concerns promptly. Verify work samples. Request and verify previous work samples to assess the freelancer's capabilities and suitability for your project. Build a strong profile. Create a compelling profile highlighting your skills, experience, and portfolio to attract potential employers. Bid wisely. Tailor your bids to each project, demonstrating your understanding of the requirements and how you can add value. Deliver quality proposals. Craft well-written proposals showcasing your expertise and explaining how you can meet the employer's needs. Set realistic rates. Price your services competitively while considering the effort, time, and expertise required for the project. Be professional. Maintain professionalism in all communications and deliver work on time and to the best of your abilities to build a positive reputation. Freelancer.com is a legitimate platform where clients can find people to do jobs and freelancers can earn a steady income. Although there have been instances of uncompleted contracts, these are usually due to the individuals involved, not the fault of the website. As with any online marketplace, it's essential to be cautious and vigilant while using Freelancer.com for any activity on the website. If you need help hiring staff offshore, don't hesitate to book us a call or get 3 free codes from our website. That's OutsourceAccelerator.com. That's it for today's video. If you found it helpful and want to see more awesome content like this, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.